Hi, this is Joe Bliss, Casey Jones 1950 on YouTube. What I got here for you today is I've got a set of Stewart-Kato B&O FTA-B units. Bowser, of course, sold those in pairs, and these are equipped with I tore out the original lighting boards, and these are equipped with the TCS Wow 1622 motherboard for 21-pin decoder, and their TCS Wow 21-pin sound decoders. Of course, the two are in pairs, so the first pair I'm numbered 101, and I believe that's a correct number for those. I got to decal them yet, and I've got to put the grabs and all that on. The other set I numbered 102, and to get these to run together I made an advanced consist, and that's 11. So if I want to unconsist these on my system, I can do that and then run them under separate numbers, but 11 is the consist, and by making an advanced consist you can shut off the sounds on everything except the lead unit you don't want, and just have like horn, bell, dynamic brakes, prime mover, etc. on the lead unit, and then the rear or trailing units will just have the EMD prime mover sounds and whatever else you want to have, like air let off, etc. You can kill that sound by disabling that CV. I bought the CalScale kits for these. These things are about 20 bucks a piece. They're still available from Bowser. The F units, A units, the number's 195.19, B unit is 195.20, and that's for all the F units that they sell. The other thing nice about the TCS Wow decoder that I like, if you go into click F8 4 times, you got the audio assist.
Use button 1 to hear the sound programming options. Use button 2 to hear the lighting programming options. Use button 3 to hear the motor control program. Use button 1 to do speed matching.
There's button 3.
To calibrate your locomotive for prototype throttle operation.
First you want to calibrate it, but then to speed match it, that's real easy.
To exit audio, use buttons 1 and 2 to select what direction you want to adjust.
Listen to the prompts.
Use button 3 to slow down the locomotive. Use button 4 to speed up the locomotive. Use button 8 to save changes. Use button 9 to return to.
And that's how easy it is. Pressing 0 exits a program. I'm not going to change anything right now because I've already speed matched these, and that's one of the best features of the TCS Wow decoder, is the speed matching function, and it's real easy to do in audio assist. You have the main unit, the main consist number, and one throttle, and then if you have one unit that's faster or slower, you put that in another throttle and don't touch the throttle knob itself. Just hit the buttons to speed it up or slow it down, and then when you get it matched, you hit 8 to save it. And that's how simple it is. Don't even have to use any CVs. So, hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. More later. Bye for now.